Your instructor, Hoodie Crescent. Hoodie Crescent is an artist, designer, and educator with many years of experience in textile art, design, and sewing. Her fabric designs have been sold internationally, and she enjoys helping people discover creativity through hands-on projects. In this sock doll class, students will learn how to transform a simple sock into a charming handmade doll using basic hand sewing techniques. No sewing experience is required, making this class perfect for beginners. Students may use a new sock, an old favorite sock, or even a mismatched sock. As the project develops, each doll becomes unique through simple creative choices and handmade details. The finished doll can be kept, given as a gift, or used as a playful puppet. This class encourages creativity, imagination, and confidence in a relaxed and enjoyable environment.